Good morning, guys. We're up nice and early, 6:45 a.m. and yeah, we're gonna do some shoot today.
Is that good? Feeling it. It's gonna.
It is taste good.
It's got caffeine inside.
He's been ditching me for a while now. This guy never made it to. He made me wake up at 6
My bad.
and always never comes. It looks good though.
Come on. I'm thinking from the car right. Check my one.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. We found the star of the show. The star of the show.
Even a bird doesn't look like me. No, it's a turtle. It's a tortoise.
Oh, damn. I thought that was a bird.
Oh, what's that?
Tortoise.
Oh shit.
Sheesh. Woo. The shell ain't hard after all.
Too slow, man. Too slow.
Bro, this shot. Come. See this shot, man.
Holy shit.
Seems like we are so fast. Hui. Seems like we're too fast. We look big, man.
What?
We look big inside.
Oh
I
really?
don't know if we are really that big.
It's a bit of the lens distortion because
Yeah.
this kind of Sony lens
Look.
has some distortion.
Look at our body. Like wide shoulders.
Oh shit, bro. It looks good.
But like I'm very sure that there's a lot of runners like who are already making content. It's just that nobody's building a community around it. They are like sub community 話得啦。သူတို့ရဲ့မြန်မာပြည်ကအဲ့ group လေးတွေရှိတယ်။သူတို့အမြဲတမ်းတူတူသွားပြေးတဲ့အကောင်လေးတွေရှိတယ်ကွာ And there's no like proper community. Maybe we should build that, ask them, we run a campaign, ask everyone to create a video. Then out of that video, right, we say we will provide, like the winner gets something, like can be a shoe, shirts, which is not much for us, but we get all the content. Everyone is gonna be tagging Rodeo Plus, bro. Then there will be a shit ton of video. It's like we don't need to go and like specifically shoot the content. There will be content. There will be content already built up for us.
Yeah.
And then by the time we're ready to run and we're ready to shoot, right? Boom. It's boom.
Okay, I like that. Let's try it.
We do a campaign, yeah. But now it's not the best time, bro. I don't know. Seems like it's never a good time for Burmese people.
You like it raw.
Yeah, like it raw. Classic Singapore breakfast. Man is cutting for real, man. Removing the good shit. What?
Bro, I don't want to, but it's gotta be.
Damn.
Abs in August.
Abs in August, alright. Yeah. More butter for me. Look at that. It's the best part about the toast, man.
That's true. It's like sweet and savory.
It's becoming a trend. Means
Actually, after this project, right, like with this project, I know what I'm suck at.
Yeah, exactly. Same. Of course,
It's almost 1 a.m. I just got back home. Me and Marcus had like a long talk. Anyway, today, just to recap things, went on to shoot in the morning, which was around 6 a.m. Yeah, I got some pretty good shots, and then went off to work for a client, and then second client, and then after that, me and Marcus had a very long meeting, I think, but this meeting was good for us. We had a breakthrough on how we want to do things, and basically we are doubling down on our own social media. We're gonna be pushing on to sales, and we have rolled out a lot of things, both for our current clients and the future clients that we are going to acquire. And another thing, we just hire someone to do graphic design. If you guys listen to the vlog, I said we sucks at graphic design, which we actually do. So yeah, he's gonna help out with that and a little bit of editing here and there, coming up with the branding for our own brand. And yeah, basically the main point of today's meeting was just to double down on everything. So yeah, it's gonna be a pretty busy few months to come. Hopefully this is gonna pay off, at least, somehow. So yeah, either we have a really strong social media for our own, or we're gonna gain a lot of clients and the business really explode. So yeah, two things: if our social media grows and we lost everything in between, it's okay, we will use that, and then we will put in more time to walk back from the ground up. But yeah, currently whatever that we have, we are investing heavily back into the business. And yeah, I said this 4 times already, doubling down on the business. So yeah, that's the update. Probably gonna end it in the vlog here. I think I've compiled up a lot of vlogs, so yeah, gonna end it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. I'm gonna keep on sharing this this business journey, this entrepreneur journey with you guys. So yeah, that is it, guys. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys.
To the people's, you know what is that? Like, that
Hey guys, so just a few updates. So within the past week, we've been really busy. I even missed one of my runs. I was supposed to go for a 12 km run yesterday, but I couldn't make it because we were just too busy with one client. And this client is giving us all sorts of lesson to our business and to us as well. We have a lot of, we need to keep changing things. Basically, one of the clients, they run themselves a media company where they do designs and fonts and stuff like that, things like this. So yeah, they're very particular about it. For us, for me especially, I'm not very particular with font, text, and the style of the graphics. I just want to make my craft look better in terms of videography and editing and color theme. So yeah, there's quite a lot of things, but you know, in this line of business, when I meet these kind of people, I always, you know, try to learn things. Like I always think that why are they thinking this way, right? It's just a font, it's just a color, it's just a spacing of 0.5 centimeter, but I mean they care. And yeah, if they care that much, I mean it have to mean something. And that's where I realized if that was like a color theme or a color correction, I would care so much, and I would tell out small little details. And yeah, at first I was a little bit pissed, right? What the hell, why do you ask me to keep changing? But yeah, but then after a while think about it, and then I realized, okay, maybe, you know, they have the passion, they have the eye for it, which we don't have. So recently that is what we did. Instead of, you know, us trying to perfect, us trying to do something that we're not good at, we just hire someone who is in this vlog. I just had a dinner with him, and we just bring him on board, and he's gonna be in charge of all the designs and graphics and everything. So yeah, his name is Willie. We are excited to bring him on board. Hopefully he can help us with this kind of situation, because so that we can focus more towards, you know, the things that we are good at and the things that, you know, matter more, like sales and stuff like that. So yeah, this is our first hire. It's official, and yeah, excited. Hopefully we got you know, the ground running up, and then start doing more sales and start getting more clients, because we have a really good momentum going on. So yeah, that's just the update. Been really busy, and yeah, hopefully I can go for a run tomorrow. Oof.